In today's video, I'll be using Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet program to make a simple or sample business spreadsheet. All you really need is a Gmail account or Google account, and you just search on Google, put Google Sheets on there, and as long as you're signed in to your Gmail account, you should be able to go in like that. So having a business spreadsheet is important when you're operating any type of business. I do a lot of e-commerce, so I have a spreadsheet like this to manage my online businesses. So I'll be showing you how to do that. We're gonna change the name. That's what I'm gonna name it, Sample Business Spreadsheets. And for the first row column, I'm going to put item type. Second, I'll put item. Third, I'll put item price. Now so I can see better. D, I'll put item shipping cost. E, I'll put profit. F, profit. G, selling price. H, I, profit. J, profit. Okay, that's good. So you could add more columns if you want, if you are selling on multiple platforms. People sell on all kinds of platforms like Amazon, eBay. There's others. I don't remember what they are, but there are many other platforms you could sell on, and they all charge different rates of commission. For eBay, it's about 12.5 to 15%. Amazon charges a certain commission rate, and they charge fees and stuff like that. I don't have Amazon, so I'm just gonna pick two simple samples like I did, just my website and eBay. See, the item type is a clothing, and I'm selling t-shirts. Say a red t-shirt to be more specific, and the amount of money I paid was, let's say, $5. The shipping cost was $2. The profit for eBay, okay, the profit is equal to the price divided by 1 minus the percentage. If it's 30%, for this case, it's $5, right? Divided by 30% is 0.7. So it's $7.14, like that. If I want to sell on if it was 25%, it'd be 5 divided by 1 minus $6.67, like that. We're going to put it into formula form. I guess that's C2 divided by 1 minus maybe I should change it to percentage. To be more specific, percentage. Let's say I want 30 2% on eBay. On my website, let's say I want 25%. Reduce percentage if that would make a difference. Now we're going to figure out what the selling price is. C2, that's the price, divided by 1 minus 2. Let's see if that works first. Okay, good. If we put percentage, it does that automatically. We don't have to use any type of fractions, which is nice. Okay. I want to put a parentheses here. Plus, we have some other costs like we didn't add the sales tax. So sales tax is C2 times, I guess it's 10%, 0.10. Parentheses here. Plus the shipping cost is D2 times 1 point. eBay charges about 12.5 to 15%. I want to get at least 15% for the shipping, right? Let's see if that works. Okay, good. Does work. So $10 is the selling price on eBay for that $5 shirt. On my website, how much would I be selling this for? Of course, I'm using a different payment processor. My fee is about 3% for that's how much the payment processor charges me. So I would have to add 3% onto the cost. Okay. That would be C2 divided by 1 parentheses 1 minus. For my website profits, it's F2 this time, which is here F2 for my profit for my website. Plus change everything around except we'll of course we add the commissioned, the sales tax, which is 10%. 2 times, I'll put 5% instead, so less this time. So on my website, I'll be selling it for $9. So now I want to find out what the profit is on eBay and my website. Profit is how much I'm selling it for, which is G2 for eBay, minus the expenses. E2, that's the cost of the item that I purchased it for, which is right here. And the shipping cost here, which is $2. D2. I have to add the whole thing. G2 is the whole price that I'm selling it for, but eBay takes 15%, so it will be 0.85. Right? Minus the cost, which is C2. Of course, I have to pay sales tax, right? I'm paying sales tax on that. And D2, which is the shipping. That should give me my profit for eBay. $1 profit for eBay, okay? On my website, I get only charge 5%, let's say, for the payment processor. C2 times, of course, I paid sales tax for that item. D2 is the shipping item shipping cost. What this comes out to. Put it here, Control V. So on my website, I get a higher profit margin. You would just fill these rows up with whatever you're selling. Let's say I'm selling a video game console. We'll put video game. We'll put electronics. Yeah. Item prices, let's say $45. Shipping is, let's say, 0. Sometimes it's 0. Profit is 32%. We could just simply put it down like this, and it should do it automatically. So now I just have a system set up, so I could just put whatever item I want, and I don't have to do all these calculations over again because it's already baked into this spreadsheet. Let's see, I'm selling, I don't know, let's see, trying to think of something. A nail, a toenail clipper. Nail clipper, let's say it cost me $3 or something. Say I bought it in bulk and shipping was 0. Same thing. I could change the profit margin. Let's say I'll put 50%. My website, I'll put 40%. Change that around. Okay, the selling price is $6 on eBay. My website is $5, and here's the profit. So that's how you make a basic business spreadsheet. You don't need something like QuickBooks or anything like that. If you have Microsoft Office on your computer, you could use that to do the same thing. But everybody can use Google Sheets as long as they have, and because everybody can get a Gmail account, and most computers have spreadsheets on them. Well, on Linux computers they do. I'm not sure about Windows. On Windows you probably have to buy Microsoft Office. If you don't want to pay hundreds of dollars buying Microsoft Office, you could just use this free web-based program from Google. Anybody can use it as long as they have a connection to the internet, and that's what I want to share with you today. If you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.